In the vast and mysterious world beneath the ocean's surface, there exists a creature that defies the boundaries of time itself. When we think of jellyfish, we often envision graceful, translucent beings drifting through the waves, armed with stinging tentacles. However, these enchanting sea creatures are far more intriguing than we give them credit for. Some of them may even hold the key to eternal life. Join us as we embark on a journey into the mesmerizing realm of jellyfish, uncovering the secrets of a remarkable species known as Turritopsis dohrnii, the never-ending jellyfish. Like many organisms, jellyfish go through distinct stages in their lives. Think of it as a metamorphosis, similar to how a frog begins as a tadpole. Most jellyfish start as tiny eggs and gradually evolve into larvae. These young larvae drift with the ocean's currents until they find a safe haven to settle down and grow. Over time, these larvae transform into polyps and, eventually, into free-floating young. Jellyfish known as medusae. For most jellyfish, this journey unfolds in a unidirectional manner, from youth to old age. However, there exists one jellyfish species that defies this conventional life cycle. Enter Turritopsis dohrnii, the never-ending jellyfish. This remarkable creature possesses an ability that few others in the animal kingdom can match: the power to rejuvenate itself. Imagine a butterfly deciding it misses its caterpillar days and, with a magical poof, transforming back into a caterpillar. It may sound like a fantastical illusion, but these jellyfish seem to perform this extraordinary feat when faced with adversity, such as food shortages or injuries. The never-ending jellyfish doesn't give up. Instead, it undergoes a transformation into a small, blob-like state, ultimately reverting to its youthful form, ready to start life anew. This remarkable process is known as transdifferentiation, a term that describes an exceptionally rare biological phenomenon. It's almost as if these jellyfish possess a natural reset button, allowing them to defy the boundaries of time and age. To unravel the mysteries of these immortal jellyfish, we must journey back to the 1980s. In those years, curious students studying random jellyfish stumbled upon a phenomenon that defied the established norms of the animal kingdom. Instead of following the predictable script of life cycles, these jellyfish restarted their lives repeatedly, giving birth to the legend of the never-ending jellyfish. Scientists, equally intrigued, delved deep into the jellyfish's genetic code to unlock its secrets. In the complex book of life, DNA serves as the recipe for existence. Each page of this genetic cookbook provides instructions for cell function, ensuring an organism's survival. Remarkably, the never-ending jellyfish's DNA contains unique notes on how to remain forever young. It possesses genetic features that facilitate DNA repair, maintain cellular freshness, promote intercellular communication, protect against damage, and safeguard chromosome tips. What's more, these jellyfish can adjust the way their genes operate when they decide to revert to a younger state. While the prospect of humans adopting this lifestyle remains distant, it showcases the incredible adaptability of nature. The never-ending jellyfish's ability to rejuvenate may be astounding, but it doesn't render them invincible. They remain vulnerable to hungry fish and inquisitive turtles. Their endless life has its limitations, primarily related to aging. Moreover, these creatures are delicate, requiring gentle handling akin to fragile artifacts. A dedicated Asian scientist has been studying them since the 1990s, witnessing some specimens rewind their lives up to 10 times in just 2 years. These fascinating beings, which initially populated the Mediterranean, now span the globe, thanks to unsuspecting ships serving as their transportation. The inconspicuous travels of these immortal jellyfish carry a vital lesson about our impact on nature. Although they may not disrupt new ecosystems like other invasive species, their silent journey serves as a reminder of how human activities inadvertently shape the natural world. Each creature, whether large or small, plays a role in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Surprisingly, the never-ending jellyfish lacks a brain, a heart, bones, or even blood. Instead, they are composed primarily of water. You might wonder how they function without these vital organs. The answer lies in their unique nerve cell network on the outer layer of their cap, along with a distinctive red tummy that aids in digestion. Don't underestimate them, though, as they are skilled predators. They feast on tiny creatures like zooplankton and sometimes even mollusks, with the older ones occasionally indulging in fellow jellyfish, using their tentacles as fishing nets to ensnare their prey. The never-ending jellyfish isn't the only creature that seems to possess the power to manipulate time. Enter the tardigrade, also known as water bears or moss piglets. These minuscule, chubby, eight-legged animals might remind you of miniature caterpillars. What makes them fascinating isn't just their appearance but their extraordinary resilience. Tardigrades can endure the harshest conditions, even surviving in outer space. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades enter a state known as cryptobiosis. In this mode, they cease nearly all internal functions, expelling most of the water from their bodies, tucking in their heads and legs, and curling up into a protective ball. During this hibernation, they activate a special substance called TDPs, which forms a shield-like force field around their cells. Once they encounter water again, they awaken, stretch out, and resume their activities as if nothing had happened. It's a survival strategy that borders on the miraculous. Lobsters we enjoy for dinner are typically much younger, around 5 to 7 years old. Lobsters never stop growing, and their longevity is closely linked to their size. The larger the lobster, the older it is. The largest lobster ever recorded was as long as a skateboard and as heavy as an office chair. Researchers have delved into the factors influencing lobster lifespans. Lobsters thriving in warmer waters tend to have shorter lifespans. This is because higher temperatures accelerate their metabolism, leading to a shorter life. Moreover, as lobsters age, the process of shedding their shells becomes more energy-intensive, making them more vulnerable to exhaustion. In the mesmerizing depths of the ocean, these incredible creatures challenge our understanding of life, time, and the natural world. From the never-ending jellyfish's ability to defy aging to the tardigrade's resilience in the face of extreme conditions and the mysterious secrets of lobsters' long lives, the underwater realm is filled with wonders that continue to captivate scientists and nature enthusiasts alike.